frost free, double door, auto defrost to stop ice build up. Cacapity 260L, suitable for families with 2 to 3 members. Warranty, 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Energy rating, 3 star. Digital inverter compressor, energy efficient, less noise and more durable. Shelf type, Toughened Plus. Also included in the box, user manual, warranty card.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.
Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell button. 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 Subscribe JP Store channel, click bell